Hello, children. Let us dive into the adventures with Teddy and the magical box. Once upon a time, in a sunny town nestled between rolling hills, there lived a curious girl named Emily. She had a best friend named Teddy, a fluffy brown bear who loved going on adventures. One bright morning, Emily and Teddy were playing in her backyard when they stumbled upon a big, mysterious box. It was old, wooden, and covered in colorful patterns. What could be inside this magical box? Wondered Emily, her eyes wide with excitement. Teddy, always up for an adventure, suggested, "Let's open it and find out." Emily nodded eagerly. "Yes, let's see what's inside." As they lifted the lid, they were amazed to find it filled with various toys and objects. Emily picked up a shiny red ball and exclaimed, "Look, Teddy, this is a ball." Teddy, holding a toy car, pointed to it and said, "That is a car." Excitedly, Emily continued exploring the box. She found a doll and a teddy bear, just like Teddy. "These are dolls and those are teddy bears, just like you, Teddy." Teddy grinned, feeling proud to have his own kind in the magical box. As they played with the toys, Emily noticed something interesting. "Teddy, when something is close to us, we say this or these. Look at the toys near us. They are this or these. But when something is little far away, we say that or those. See the toys over there. They are that or those." Teddy nodded in understanding, looking at the toys near and far, grasping the concept of this, that, these, and those. From that day on, Emily and Teddy had many more adventures, using their new words to describe things they found along the way. And in the magical box, they discovered not only the toys, but also the joy of learning new things together.